Hello, and welcome to Etsy Success. You're watching Built to Grow, where we explore practical ways to grow your shop using Etsy's tools and insights. My name is Wesley, and I'm the director of our analytics team here at Etsy. It's safe to say that I'm basically data obsessed. So, it's probably not surprising that I'm a big fan of our Marketplace Insights tool. Our Marketplace Insights tool uses real Etsy search data to help you easily identify emerging inventory trends relevant to your shop. If you've ever wondered what buyers are actually searching for or how to spot new product opportunities before they're obvious, this video is for you, no matter your experience level. Today we'll talk about what the Marketplace Insight tool is, why it matters, and how you can use it to spot trends, inspire new ideas, and make more informed decisions about how to position your shop and listings to tap into buyer demand. Let's get started. Built right into Shop Manager, the Marketplace Insights tool uses actual Etsy search data to show what buyers are looking for, along with how often they're searching and the level of competition for different search terms. So instead of guessing what buyers might be looking for, you can actually see what they're searching. When you enter a keyword into the tool, you'll see buyer search volume, including how it's changed over the past 30 days, the number of listing results for a given search, related keywords, and examples of what items are actually showing up in buyer search. Beyond just numbers, this tool is really about understanding demand. Because one of the biggest challenges for sellers isn't just optimization. It's knowing, what should I make next? What's trending right now? What's worth investing my time in? Marketplace Insights helps answer those questions. It shows you where buyer interest exists and how that demand is changing over time. And that's what makes it so valuable. Because building for growth in the long term isn't just about improving what you already have. It's about spotting opportunities early and creating listings that meet real demand. Marketplace Insights helps you align your ideas and products with what buyers are already looking for, so your creativity is backed by data. And that makes the data nerd in me very happy. So now that we've covered the what and the why, let's talk about how to make the most of Marketplace Insights for your own shop. First, refine and optimize your existing listings. Marketplace Insights can be a powerful way to refine listings you already have. Start by searching for one of your products using the primary keywords that describe it. Then, look at the related searches and compare them to your current listing. For example, you might notice that buyers are searching for a slightly different phrase, like minimalist gold necklace, instead of just gold necklace. That's a signal you can use to update your title with more specific, high-performing keywords, optimize all 13 available tags based on what buyers are actually typing into search, and better match your listing to real search behavior. Even small updates like this can help your listing show up in more relevant searches and reach the right buyers. Let's hear now from a seller using Marketplace Insights to conduct their own market research.
My name is Ryan, and my Etsy shop is RD Ceramics. Some of the insights that I get from using the Marketplace Insights feature on Etsy is understanding what my peers are doing, whether it's understanding titles of their listings, how they're doing product photography, and also it can give me some ideas of other keywords that are going to help me in SEO to make my products more popular and trending.
I love those insights. Our second tip, validate new inventory ideas. Before investing time in a new product, do some market research by searching for it. Look at how often it's searched and how competitive the space is. This can help you gut check your idea, so you're not just creating in a vacuum, but building something buyers are already interested in. Third, and this one might be my personal favorite, use Marketplace Insights for inspiration. Start with a general keyword related to your shop, then explore related searches. These keywords reflect real buyer language and can help you discover new product directions, identify variations you hadn't considered, or refine an idea you already have. Sometimes, a single keyword can lead to multiple new listing ideas. Fourth, use Marketplace Insights to plan ahead using seasonal trends. As any business owner will tell you, retail behavior changes over time. If you've been selling on Etsy for a while, you've probably observed this in your own shop too. Even over the course of a single calendar year, there can be ebbs and flows following factors like seasonality and consumer trends. Marketplace Insights can be a helpful tool to identify emerging seasonal demands and trends. So instead of reacting, once the moment's already passed, you can plan ahead, whether that's preparing inventory, updating keywords, or launching new products. Finally, and this is so important to really level up in terms of measurable growth, connect what you learn from Marketplace Insights with your other Etsy tools. And I mentioned this one with my data scientist hat on. Because while it is super important in telling the story, data alone isn't enough to create actual change or growth for your shop. It's what you do with it that will create measurable results for your business. Marketplace Insights works best when used alongside other tools, like your shop stats, especially on the listing level, to help identify performance trends, your Etsy ads campaigns to maximize budget for popular listings, promotion on social media and other marketing channels, using share and save links to showcase listings that appeal to current buyer demand, and your search visibility dashboard to identify other factors that could be impacting your shop. A quick example of what this might look like in practice: you identify a listing that has low views compared to some of your other top performers. It's got strong photos and even a listing video, but doesn't seem to be getting much traffic. You use Marketplace Insights to find new keywords to add to your tags and listing descriptions. Then, you track performance of that listing in your shop stats and continue to refine the listing over time. Together, these tools help turn insights into action and action into growth. Now, before we wrap up, let's do some rapid-fire Marketplace Insights myth busting. First myth: the tool is only useful for generating keywords. No way. Marketplace Insights is definitely useful for more than just keyword research. It's a way to understand buyer behavior and use that understanding to guide what you create, not just how you optimize for search, although it's definitely great for that too. Another misconception I've heard is about chasing trends without context, and that is absolutely not the intention behind this tool. Use Marketplace Insights as inspiration, but filter through your style, brand, and business goals. The goal isn't to follow every trend, it's to find the opportunity areas that make sense for you and your shop. Your creativity is still the foundation. The data can just help you shape and direct it. And our final myth: that Marketplace Insights don't change over time. It's easy to think of this as a one-and-done tool. You check a keyword, get some ideas, and move on. But search trends change, and so does your shop. What buyers are searching for today can look very different in a few weeks or months, especially around seasonal moments or emerging trends. So, the insights you see are really just a snapshot in time. The real value comes from using Marketplace Insights regularly, not just once. Try building it into your routine, whether you're planning new products, refreshing listings, or preparing for an upcoming season. Over time, those small, consistent check-ins can help you stay aligned with what buyers are looking for and make more informed decisions as your shop grows. At the end of the day, Marketplace Insights helps you make more confident, informed decisions. It gives you a clearer picture of what buyers are looking for, so you can create, optimize, and plan with more intention. If you're not sure where to start, my advice: keep it simple. Search for one product idea or keyword related to your shop. Explore the results, look at related searches, and see what stands out. You might refine an existing listing or even discover your next product idea. If you want more guidance as you get started, check out the Marketplace Insights guide linked in this video's description. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Etsy Success so you don't miss the next episode of Built to Grow. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.